Yo, that looks insane. Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god. This does not look like a computer I just found on the street. Alright guys, so before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys don't know what happened already or like the story behind this video, I recommend go checking out my TikTok because I did a full in-depth video on what happened. So, but in summary, for the people that don't know what happened, I basically found a computer on the street while I was walking, and this is the GoPro footage of me finding the computer. So I ended up fixing it, and then the only thing I was messed up was the Windows, so I had to download Windows, and I bought a new case. So the start of this video is going to be basically me picking up the new case I bought for this computer. So if you guys are confused, that's how it's going to be. But with that said, just get right into the video. Yo, what's going on guys, it's Vigil Tour back here with another video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I refurbished the computer I found on the street. So if you guys didn't see from the beginning, I was walking and then I found a computer on the street and I just had to pick it up. It was a decent build. It has an RX 550 AMD Phantom X4 processor with 4 cores, I'm pretty sure, and it has 16 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. Like it's not even that bad. So I actually picked up this case from Roseville, which we're going to unbox, and this case will be perfect for this build. So I'm gonna take out everything from this case and I'm gonna put it inside here, and then I'm gonna try to sell it to someone on OfferUp. If you guys don't know already, I sell computers on OfferUp. I'll put my link in the description if you guys are down to buy some of the computers I build. But yeah, with that said, let's just get right into the build. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace. See you guys there. Alright guys, so first things first, we need to do what we need to do is unbox this case. So I have this X-Acto knife here. Let's open this up. This is my first time seeing this case. I never really had a case like this. It has blue RGB light, blue LED light fans. The Roseville case, I actually did buy a power supply from them for my last build, but so I need to take this shit out. Alright guys, so we got the case out. Let's put these styrofoams in here. It comes in this saran wrap. Damn, this is actually smaller than I thought. On Newegg it looked pretty big. I'm taking this out. So I'm putting this in here. Oh, that's sick, guys. That is freaking sick. This case is sick. So I'm guessing this is magnetic. Oh no, it's not. Bro, that looks sick. So it comes with tempered glass. So I'm gonna take the tempered glass out. I'm actually not gonna peel this yet. Let's put it aside here. Alright guys, so now that we took out the tempered glass, so it comes with front panel connectors, a Molex connector right there. It comes with 4 fans, which is pretty decent. Comes with a dust filter, and then there's actually a back panel too, so I'm gonna take that out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get a cup to put these in. Any type of cup. This is fun. So now that I got a bowl, I'll put all the screws in there. Let's take out this back panel. Let's put this where the side panel is. So this is the case. So I'm gonna put the case on the side, and I'm gonna take apart this bad boy. So this freaking case is so outdated. It has freaking a disc tray and a DVR player, I'm pretty sure. I don't even know what that is. Like, this case is really messed up. Like the top USB ports are messed up. The SATA port on the top is messed up too. So I had to get a new case for this build. So it is actually very dusty. So I might need to have to dust it. So let's take out the SSD. Comes with a 500 gigabyte 860 Evo. This is pretty good. It's pretty decent. It's not bad. Bro, look at this thing. It's so freaking dusty. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, we got a lot of work to do. Alright, so first things first, let's take out the graphics card. Oh, Jesus Christ, this thing is so dusty. Oh my god. So I got the graphics card, the SSD. Next up, we need the power supply. This has mustard cables. I'm guessing this is HD audio. Front USB. Never mind, this is HD audio. Jesus Christ, this is so dusty. Alright guys, so there's a Wi-Fi card, so I'm going to take that out as well. This is actually very useful if you don't have Wi-Fi, onboard Wi-Fi on your motherboard. And then now we need to take out the motherboard. So I just finished taking out the screws on the motherboard. Never mind, there's freaking 2 more.
Three hours later.
Bro, this shit's so dusty. Alright guys, so we got the motherboard out. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Alright guys, so I have this box from my old motherboard. And I'm just gonna lay it down on here. So we got the graphics card, the SSD, the Wi-Fi, the power supply. That's what we're missing. Alright guys, so I just finished dusting dusting all the parts. I dusted the power supply, I dusted the motherboard, I dusted the graphics card, I dusted the RAM. The only thing I didn't dust is the case because I'm not going to use it, but I might sell it, so I'm gonna do that later. So now what we're going to do is grab the new case I bought. Okay, so it's zip tied to all these zip tied obviously, so I need to take these apart. Alright, this comes with a lot of screws. That's perfect. So we're gonna need these, so keep these. Outdated motherboard, so I never built on this, but I'm gonna try. Oh, and I need the IO shield. Shit, I need the IO shield. So I got the IO shield on thing. I wanna apply the IO shield right now. Alright guys, so I just finished putting on the IO shield. So now I'm gonna grab the motherboard, line it up with IO shield. Perfect. Alright, so I just finished screwing in the motherboard. So now I'm going to put the RAM. So these are DDR3 RAM. So I just finished putting in the RAM. So I'm thinking of putting in the Wi-Fi adapter first, and then putting in the graphics cards. Oh. Alright guys, so I finally put the side. Oh my god, that took freaking forever. Half this video is freaking gone on that. Alright. So now what I need to do is put in this power supply. Alright guys, so I'm having technical difficulties trying to plug in the power supply to my PC. So let me try to plug this in and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, these are the last 2 screws. Oh yeah, and just so you guys know, this is the next day. It was kind of getting late yesterday when I was doing it. Oh my god, we just finished. So I had to end the recording after the power supply, but my camera was dead as well, so I didn't record me putting in the power supply. But the PC is done. Bro, I haven't turned it on yet, so I don't know how it's gonna look. Let's take this out. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Like it doesn't even look that bad. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, so I cannot use these top 4 USBs because this USB 3.0 doesn't have a slot here, so I can't really use it. But besides that, I'm pretty sure the computer works fine. I'm gonna put this tempered glass side panel back on. Let's take it upstairs and plug into my computer to see how it works. Damn, okay. Alright, I'll see you guys in my room. Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys remember, I remember saying I downloaded Windows, and I did. I downloaded Windows, the computer works fine, but I want to see if it posts. So let's plug it in. Oh my god. Yo, that looks insane. Oh my freaking god. That looks sick. Oh my freaking god, this does not look like a computer I just found on the street. Oh my god. Yo, that looks insane. Oh my freaking god. Plugged in, now I just have to turn it on again. Hopefully it posts. Let's go. Okay, that's a good sign. Let's freaking go. No way. But I don't think it's supposed to show that. Unless you're downloading Windows. Let's freaking go. Oh my god. Alright guys, so... Nope. Okay, so... Alright guys, so that's basically the end of today's video. So tomorrow I'll have a video up. Tomorrow of me benchmarking the computer, testing out the components, playing Fortnite, Rainbow, and Counter-Strike. So I will be playing those games, benchmarking and showing you guys how much FPS it gets on an average game like that. But the only reason that you didn't see me actually recording the rest of the video, like the video just stopped, is because my GoPro actually did die, unfortunately, and I just found out today when I was editing the video, so that is kind of unfortunate. But with that said, it's been Sigil, and if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications to get notified every time I make a new video, and tomorrow I will be posting the benchmarking video, so stay tuned. But with that said, it's been Sigil, and I'm out. Peace.